now. So I'm gonna get my nails did. I'm a little bit late, but I was waiting on a ride, so I just took it. Hopefully Georgia is not here as yet, so I am early. Morning. Georgia is here as well, right?
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you'd never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. Not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
outfit. Yes, it's a nice little simple dress, but no belt there, but don't pay that no mind. And I have my wig, as I told you all. You can't see the wig, change, but it came together quite well with the frustration and the hullabaloo. We were able to, settle and get the makeup look, get the hair together, and get the dress together. So I really like this rapid makeup. So I really like this look and it's nice. I'm going to show you what already is in, nails and everything. So you're going to see the whole thing come together. Alright.
Hi guys, so this is what I'm wearing. A friend of mine sells clothes, so I bought this shirt from him. I like it. Yes. So nice black pant and nice boots. So I mean after that I don't know how to make up the for my body, but such is life. Anyways guys, so yeah, this is what I'm wearing out today. Hope I look nice and I'm gonna roast me in the comment section, but yeah, this is it.
Alright guys, so we're finally ready.
Finally.
Like this was a whole process. She said the wig change. Well, did I do red ear and everything, and that did have to just go to
one side.
Yeah. Because like I was getting so confused, not even confused, getting so frustrated that we kept missing our deadlines of the what you call it, the reservations we were setting. Because 2 o'clock that was not going to work, right? Orient set one for 3:30, and I was having such issues with the wig, like time messed up with me. So we did the makeup first because we were trying to do it 2-in-1 and did the turning my boyfriend into me video, right? So yeah, into that video, right? So the makeup I had to do first, and then my intention was just to rub off the edges, install the wig, and just probably touch it up. Like I probably didn't rub it off good, so some of the makeup was blocking the gel or the the temporary glue to hold properly with the lace, and it was just
red wig did a bit bad. It
did a bit bad, and then it's like the part never really pluck or what you call it, carved or properly. The elastic band I put in to make it glueless wasn't tight enough. It was just a huge mess. Everybody that there around coming, mommy Orange Sashana coming for just try it with week. I wanted to give up. I'm like, I'm staying home. I am staying home. I am not going nowhere.
Yeah, but now we're ready and we're leaving out, so we are gonna go out now, guys. So see you in the next video. Yeah,
so I hope you really enjoyed this. We showed a little process of the nails, even getting in the shower, getting the makeup done.
Yeah, so getting a bit of everything.
Yeah, so you guys saw the process and the clothing and everything as well. So later, guys.
So yeah, guys, thanks for coming on to this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you're new. You want to say something?
In the next video, you'll actually see where we went with all of this. I don't think we said it throughout this videos yet.
Yeah.
So you'll see where we're going to. Stay tuned for that.
Amen, sister.
Bye.
Bye, guys.